Before we get into it, let me show you some of the reviews people have left for the Whoop 4.0 on Amazon, because sometimes buyers just get it. 5 stars. Quote, my Whoop told me my recovery score was 14%, and honestly, it had more faith in me than that number suggests, because I still showed up to the gym and embarrassed myself. Okay. 4 stars. Quote, I used to lie to myself about my sleep. Now I have a $30/month subscription to lie to me instead. Much more official. Valid. 1 stars. Quote, 1 star. This thing told me I was in the red after my cousin's wedding. I didn't need a wristband to tell me that. I needed it to not have a camera. Fair enough. 5 stars. Quote, my Whoop said my HRV dropped after 1 glass of wine. I said noted and poured a second one to see what would happen. Science. 2 stars. Quote, 2 stars. I paid to be told I'm tired and stressed. My mother does this for free. Noted. 5 stars. Quote, my recovery was 97%, so I told my boss I was operating at peak human capacity and needed a raise. He said no. Whoop does not account for this kind of stress. Respect. Alright, let's actually get into the Whoop 4.0 review. Here's something nobody told you about the Whoop 4.0. You don't own it, you subscribe to it, and that one fact changes everything about whether this thing belongs on your wrist or not. Stick around because we're getting into all of it. Okay, quick verdict for the folks who are on their lunch break. The Whoop 4.0 is genuinely one of the most sophisticated health trackers on the market right now. The sleep tracking is exceptional, the recovery scoring is legitimately useful, and the hardware is sleek and comfortable. But, and this is a big but, it has no display, it runs on a subscription model, and it is laser focused on serious athletes and health-obsessed people. If that's you, you're going to love it. If you just want to track your steps and check your texts, this is absolutely not your device. Keep watching and I'll show you exactly why. Alright, let's get into the box. First thing you notice is how minimal the packaging is. Very clean, very Apple adjacent in that way where they want you to feel like you're opening something premium before you even touch the device. And honestly, it works. Inside you've got the Whoop 4.0 band itself, which is this slim screenless tracker. Then you get the battery pack, which is one of the cooler design decisions here. It slides right onto the band while you're wearing it, so you never actually have to take it off to charge. You also get a USB-C cable in the box, and depending on which bundle you go with, potentially some extra band options. The band itself feels really good. It's got a soft, flexible material that doesn't irritate the skin, which matters a lot when you're wearing something 24 hours a day. The clasp is secure without being fussy. Build quality overall feels solid and intentional. Nothing rattles, nothing feels cheap. First impressions are genuinely positive. It feels like a serious piece of kit made for people who take their health seriously. Let's talk specs, and I'm going to keep this grounded because some of this stuff gets technical fast. First, the sensors. The Whoop 4.0 has an upgraded optical heart rate sensor with 5 LEDs compared to the 3 on the previous version. That means more accurate data, especially during high-intensity workouts when your heart rate is bouncing around. It also now includes a skin temperature sensor and a blood oxygen sensor, both of which feed into its recovery and sleep analysis. Second, battery life. You're looking at around 4 to 5 days on a full charge, not class-leading, but perfectly manageable, especially with that on-wrist charging system I mentioned. Third, the form factor. There is no screen. Zero. None. All your data lives in the app. This is a deliberate choice, and it keeps the device slim and distraction-free, but it is genuinely a deal-breaker for some people. Fourth, water resistance. It's rated to 10 meters, so swimming is totally fine. Showers, no problem. Fifth, the subscription. The hardware is included when you join, but you're paying a monthly membership, typically around $30 a month, or less if you pay annually. That covers the app, the coaching features, and any hardware upgrades Whoop rolls out. Sixth, the app ecosystem. The Whoop app is where the real magic happens. It gives you 3 daily scores: strain, recovery, and sleep performance, and over time it learns your patterns and gets more accurate. That personalization is genuinely one of its biggest selling points. So how does it actually feel to live with this thing day to day? Honestly, pretty seamless once you get used to the no-screen lifestyle. Wearing it around the clock becomes second nature fast. It's light enough that you forget it's there, and because there's no screen lighting up, it's not pulling your attention the way a smartwatch does. That's either a feature or a bug depending on your personality. The heart rate tracking during workouts held up well across running, cycling, and weight training. It occasionally struggled during heavy lifting sets where wrist movement is erratic. That's a known limitation of optical wrist sensors in general, not unique to Whoop. Sleep tracking is where this thing genuinely shines. The breakdown of light, REM, and deep sleep is detailed, and the Sleep Coach feature gives you a personalized bedtime recommendation based on how much strain you accumulated during the day and how much recovery you need. That feedback loop over weeks of use starts to feel like having a data-driven coach in your pocket. The app is responsive and well-designed. Syncing is fast and happens automatically in the background. The journal feature, where you log things like alcohol, caffeine, stress, and meditation, actually produces meaningful correlations over time. You can literally see how that late night glass of wine tanks your recovery score the next morning. Humbling, very humbling. Let's talk about what this thing genuinely does well, because there are some real standout strengths here. Number one, the recovery and strain system is best in class. The way Whoop calculates your daily recovery score, factoring in heart rate variability, resting heart rate, sleep performance, and respiratory rate, is more nuanced than almost anything else on the market. And because it's tracking you continuously, not just during workouts, the picture it paints is genuinely holistic. After about 3 weeks of consistent use, the recommendations start to feel eerily accurate. When it tells you to take it easy, you probably should. Number two, the no display design is a real lifestyle win if you commit to it. Once you stop reflexively glancing at your wrist for notifications, you actually feel less tethered to your phone. It sounds counterintuitive that more tracking could mean less distraction, but for a lot of people, that's exactly what happens. Number three, the build and wearability are excellent. It sits flat against the wrist. The bands are comfortable for all day and all night wear, and the on-wrist charging system means you're never in a situation where you have to choose between wearing it and charging it. That continuous data collection is the whole point of the device, and the hardware design supports that mission really well. Now the cons, and I want to be real with you here because these are legitimate friction points. The biggest one is the no display situation combined with total app dependency. If your phone battery is dead, if you lose your phone, if the app has a glitch, you have no way to see any of your data in real time. For most people, this isn't a daily problem, but there are moments where it genuinely frustrates. A simple complication or even an LED indicator for your recovery score would go a long way. Second con, the subscription model means your relationship with this data is ongoing and contingent. If you cancel your membership, you lose access to your historical data in a meaningful way. For a device that's selling you on long-term trend analysis, that's a real tension. You're building a health profile that you don't fully own, and that's worth thinking about before you commit. Third con, Whoop is pretty limited in terms of smartwatch features. No GPS, no contactless payments, no notification mirroring, no voice assistance. It doesn't try to be a smartwatch, and that's fine, but if you are hoping to consolidate devices on your wrist, Whoop isn't going to let you do that. You're probably still going to carry your phone or wear a second device for navigation on runs. Let's check in with some real buyers because their experience matters just as much as mine. One reviewer wrote, I went from thinking my sleep was totally fine to realizing I've been running at 40% recovery for 2 months straight. My wife says I've become insufferable at dinner parties because I now explain HRV to everyone. Relatable. Another said, I'm a personal trainer and I bought this for 3 of my clients as an experiment. 2 of them completely changed their approach to rest days based on the data. The third one threw it across the room when it told him his party weekend wrecked his recovery. So, 4 stars. And then there's this gem. Does exactly what it promises. I now know with scientific precision exactly how badly my lifestyle choices are affecting me. I have chosen to continue making those choices anyway. Highly recommend. These reactions honestly capture the Whoop experience pretty well. It gives you information, and then it's entirely up to you what you do with it. Alright, final verdict. The Whoop 4.0 is a genuinely exceptional health and fitness tracker for the right person. Buy it if you're a serious athlete, a fitness enthusiast, someone managing their health intentionally, or anyone who wants deep, continuous biometric data and is willing to engage with that data regularly. The sleep tracking and recovery system are best in class, full stop. Skip it if you want a smartwatch experience, if you need real-time data at a glance, if you're not ready for a subscription commitment, or if you're just casually curious about fitness tracking. There are simpler, cheaper options that will serve you better without the monthly fee. This is a premium tool for people who treat their health like a serious project. If that's you, it's very hard to beat. So tell me down in the comments, are you Team Whoop, or does the subscription model kill it for you? I'm genuinely curious where people land on that one. If this review saved you some research time, hit the like button. It really does help the channel out. And subscribe if you want an honest, no fluff review dropping every single week. See you in the next one.